What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're gonna go hit the most famous mountain bike trail in the world, Slickrock, here in Moab, Utah. So let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Arches National Park at sunset. Really pretty. Really pretty. Oh, whoa there.
Oh my God.
All right. Check out that view though. Sun's going down.
Check out that.
I didn't really capture that.
Oh.
We are here at the infamous Slickrock Trail just outside of Moab, Utah, and we're gonna go rally it today. I've wanted to ride this trail since I was 14 years old. One of my first jobs was working at a bike shop for a couple of years in North Georgia mountains, and this is just the iconic trail all the mountain bikers talked about. So here we are 25 odd years later, and we're gonna go send it, show you guys what it's all about. Let's go. Here we go. I told you guys this is I have no idea what to expect here, but this is a pretty iconic trail as far as mountain biking goes. This used to be like the Mecca, and it might not be that special, but we're gonna do it anyway. It's crazy how smooth this is. This is the smoothest Slickrock I have ridden so far. It's like granite. I guess it won't be like this forever, but this is pretty nice. Whew. There's a couple little washed out spots like this. They're a little rougher, but pretty smooth so far. This is more closer to the Slickrock we've ridden in Moab so far, and most of the trails is kind of not super smooth, a little bit choppy and bouncy. But even the choppy bouncy sections on this trail so far are still smoother than the other trails we've done. climby. It's pretty steep. I'd say it's like a good 35 degrees first hill. Definitely helps to be geared down and standing up. Whew. Not a lot of long climbs, but a lot of sprints for sure. It's hard to push your bike up. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Oh nope, that's not happening. Holy crap, that's like 45 degrees. It's pretty smooth though. It's not super choppy. This is crazy. So we'll just like never ride anything else like this anywhere. Ooh, yeah. Whoa. I might do a foot dragger on this one. Can't believe the tires stick to this. Whoa. Can't believe the tires actually stick to this. It's crazy. There's Hell's Revenge up there. You can see the wheelers coming down. Like we're intersecting the Hell's Revenge trail right there.
Well, turns out some stuff happened and we did not quite make it. So yeah, there'll be another day for Slickrock. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you did. And we'll see you again on the next adventure. Peace, y'all.